there has been a development with regards to Dharmendra. Just now, we are getting this information that has been shared on part of Isha Deol on her Instagram handle. Dharmendra's daughter, who has now issued a statement, rather a clarification, saying that Dharmendra is stable and recovering. Well, we hope that is the case and he recovers very soon. And as far as on part of the family is concerned, because several reports that came in a short while back suggesting that Dharmendra is no more. This is a clarification that is now directly coming in from the family itself, as Dharmendra's daughter, Isha Deol has just issued this statement, and we would want to take you through exactly when it comes to this statement is concerned, Akansha. This clarification is important. This gives us and the fans of Dharmendra a lot of hope that he recovers quickly.
Absolutely. 15 minutes after the news came to the fore, a clarification has come in from Isha Deol, who is the daughter of Dharmendra. She has said, and I quote, the media seems to be in overdrive and spreading false news. My father is stable and recovering. Request everyone to give family privacy. You for the prayers for, in fact, Papa's speedy recovery. And this is what she has posted on social media. This has come as a relief to the fans of Dharmendra. A clarification that has come in from the family now, Amita.
All right. So, Amit, the kind of news that has been playing out of late, well, as far as Dharmendra is concerned, and he's said to be stable and recovering, according to daughter Isha Deol, this seems to be a positive aspect of the news that we are reporting for our viewers today. If any development on his health is concerned, we'll be putting out the details. Thank you very much, Akansha, for joining in. With that, we head into a short break.